Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into something that's going to make every pet owner's life so much easier. The Petgugu M1 Pro 7-in-1 Pet Grooming Kit. This thing claims to do it all. Vacuuming, trimming, brushing, de-shedding, dematting, drying, and even cleaning up, all in one compact device. I've been testing it out with my dog Jeff, and I've got a lot to share. The good, the surprisingly powerful, and a couple of things you might want to know before buying. So let's jump right in. Before we do, in full transparency, this product was sent to me for free in the purpose of making this video. Okay, first of all, inside the box, you get everything you need for a full grooming session. Seriously, it's packed. You get 7 professional attachments, an electric clipper with 4 guide combs from different hair lengths from 3mm, 6mm, 9mm, and 12mm, a pin brush for everyday grooming, a dematting comb to safely remove knots, a de-shedding comb to pull out loose hair, and this one even works on furniture and clothes, so if you want to get any pet hair off of your shirts. Then there's a flat suction nozzle for cleaning crevices, plus 2 dry nozzles, 1 round and 1 flat. It's pretty much like having your own mini grooming salon right at home. So one of my biggest concerns with pet grooming vacuums is noise. A lot of them sound like jet engines and freaks your pet out. But the Petgugu M1 Pro runs just 62 decibels, which is impressively quiet. Even my dog Jeff, who hates loud vacuums, stayed surprisingly calm. And it's not just quiet, it's powerful too. It does have 3 levels of suction, which easily pulls the pet hair and dust, even from thick coats or fabric surfaces. After one grooming session, I just found overall everything was a cleaner experience than previous products that I've tried before. So let's talk about the grooming tools themselves. The demat comb does a great job loosening those stubborn tangles. It's gentle and doesn't tug. The de-shedding comb pulls out the undercoat hair effortlessly, especially on shedding breeds. And the pin brush, this one's perfect for daily use to keep the coat smooth and reduce that buildup. I like that all the hair goes straight into the vacuum as you brush, so there's no surrounding clouds of fur, so that's a huge win. And when it's time for a trim, the electric clipper feels solid, balanced, not cheap and plasticky. You can easily switch between the guide combs for different lengths, and it cuts cleanly without snagging. Now, this next part is something I didn't expect to love as much as I did, the built-in drying system. So if I was to give Jeff a quick bath, I added the extra drying hose and added a nozzle, and as you can see, it works beautifully. You get 3 adjustable settings for the suction airflow and temperature from 45 degrees, 50 degrees, and 60 degrees Celsius, so you can tailor it based on your pet's comfort level. The airflow is strong, up to 80 meters per second, so drying is fast but still gentle. And the fact that you can switch from brushing to drying using the same machine means no hauling separate equipment or making a mess. Another big plus is the 2.5 layer dust cap. It's huge, so you won't be constantly needing to empty it as you're grooming your pet. You've also got a 1.5mm vacuum hose and a 1.5mm extendable drying hose and a 2.5mm power cord, giving you tons of flexibility to move around your pet. There's even integrated hose storage and cord management built into the base, which keeps everything neat when you're done. Now, the whole unit is made with durable ABS engineering plastic, so it feels sturdy enough for long-term use. Plus it works with universal voltage, so you can use it anywhere in the world without worry. After using the M1 Pro for a week, I can honestly say this is one of the most complete pet grooming systems I've tested. It's quiet, powerful, and incredibly convenient. You basically gain a grooming vacuum, trimmer, brush set, and a dryer all in one tidy little portable package. If you've got pets that shed or you're tired or your fur all over your house and you don't want to be paying the hundreds of dollars every single month just to groom your pet, this is definitely worth checking out. Now, if you are interested, we are going to be leaving a link below. You can head over there for some more information or pick one up for yourself. Leave a comment on what your favorite feature was. Share this with a friend who has a shedding pet. Hit that like button and of course subscribe for more great reviews like this. We'll see you in the next one.